Restoring Health, a Journey to Well-Being. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of restoring health. This phrase is not just about healing from an illness, but it's about the entire journey towards feeling better, physically, emotionally, and mentally. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, professional advancement, or just for fun, understanding such phrases can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive into the world of health and wellness together. The phrase, restoring health, goes beyond just medical treatment. It encompasses a holistic approach to regain strength, vitality, and overall wellness. Imagine your health as a harmonious balance. When this balance is disturbed, maybe by sickness, stress, or injury, restoring health means taking steps to bring back that harmony. Physical health restoration involves medical treatments and lifestyle changes aimed at repairing the body. This can include taking medications prescribed by a doctor, undergoing surgery, or engaging in physical therapy. Additionally, lifestyle adjustments like a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep are crucial. Remember, it's not just about healing from a disease, but also strengthening the body to prevent future health issues. Mental and emotional health are just as important as physical health. Restoring health in this context means seeking activities or therapies that foster mental well-being. This could be counseling, meditation, or simply engaging in hobbies that bring joy. The goal is to create a positive mindset and manage stress, which is essential for a holistic recovery. Community and support play a pivotal role in restoring health. The encouragement from family, friends, and support groups can provide the emotional strength needed during tough times. Sharing experiences and challenges not only helps in healing but also in building resilience and fostering a sense of belonging. Restoring health is a multifaceted journey that involves more than just treating symptoms. It's about nurturing the body, mind, and spirit, and sometimes, leaning on others for support. Remember, every step taken towards restoring health is a step towards a more balanced and fulfilling life. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey of learning English and understanding the nuances of health and wellness. Stay healthy and keep learning.